Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. Today's tip: 3 things about cyberspace you should constantly remind your kids about. All parents need to closely monitor their kids' use of tablets, phones, and devices, as well as all social media profiles. It's no secret that sexual predators lurk online looking for their next victim. While what you tell your kids should be age appropriate, here's a list of things you ought to keep reminding them about. Everything you do online is public. If you wouldn't do it or say it standing in the middle of your classroom with everyone present, don't do it online. There is no delete button. Removing comments and photos is like trying to take pee out of a pool. Trust no one online. Really bad, ugly, nasty people are online looking to fool you. As to your older kids, you might remind them that schools and employers use social media to review you, so make sure what you post is what you want them to see. Please click on the subscribe button located here. Please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Please follow the government's recommendation on social gathering. Stay safe out there.